Here we come to the elevator at the Carolina Inn in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Look at this beautiful lobby. Look at this. This thing's gorgeous. This was a modernized Otis, and it looks like that floor indicator. I don't think it works anymore. Oh, actually, no, it does. I spoke too soon. Wow, look at this cab. Wow, look at this cab. Look in the mirror. Hi. Wow, this is beautiful. Despite it got a Series M2 mod, but still left these original touches. That light fixture or chandelier of some sort reminds me of the one in Nashville. Look in the mirror. Hi. Anyways, let's go on the beat. Alright, we're not gonna get off here. Let's go 3. Oh, it works. I don't know if the motor is original. You go down? Alright, let's close the door back up before I get a copyright claim. Not necessarily copyright claim, but more so a copyright notice. Door close button works. I really love that. This was installed in 1970. So I believe this elevator was replaced at some point. This is definitely beautiful. Alright, we're gonna get off at L. I'm not going to watch the door close because the music is pretty much audible enough that it's impossible for me to drown it out. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here, so that'll be it. Thanks for watching.